Guys, I have to cut some off so that the video will not be much longer. You see here the two parrots is still standing, watching the trap, eating the granules that I kept at the up. Keep watching, keep watching. Just take a minute of your time and see how we catch parrots. Still stay connected. Still stay connected. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And tell me the bird you need me to trap for you next time. If it's a pigeon or eagle, just comment eagle, and you still want me to do another trick how to catch parrot. Comment parrot. Love you guys. Watch, you see. You go back. It will still go there. I believe that. I believe it will go there. Still won't go there. Oh.